my previous videos, I showed you how to hold a crochet hook, how to hold your yarn, and also how to tie a slip knot. Now today I'm going to show you how to put all those three skills together and to make your foundation chain. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to slide that slip knot, that loop over our hook, and we're going to tighten that slip knot. And you want it not too tight. You don't want to have to fight to get your hook through the loop, but rather you're going to want that hook, to glide smoothly. Now, to make a chain, you simply wrap your yarn back to front over your crochet hook, and you always wrap back to front, and then you draw through that loop that you made. So again, back to front, or in other words, you place that hook under your yarn, wrap it, and draw through a loop. Now when you wrap your yarn like this, it's always called a yarn over. So again, back to front, and draw through a loop. And each time you do this step, you've completed one chain. Now I would recommend that you practice for a while, make lots and lots of chains. This is going to give you an opportunity to get comfortable holding your hook, to get comfortable holding your yarn, and really to kind of find a rhythm that works for you. And once you've mastered this, you are ready to begin crocheting.